Imagine a man standing before the gates of a hidden treasure, knowing it holds the key to all his dreams. But the treasure isn't gold nor jewels. It's something far more powerful, something you already possess. What if I told you that your mind could be the treasure map to wealth, success, and happiness? But there's a catch. Most people never unlock it. Why? Because they don't know how. But today, you will. This isn't just a book summary. This is your step-by-step guide to Napoleon Hill's life-changing 13 principles, distilled from the success secrets of Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and Andrew Carnegie. By the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to turn your thoughts into reality, no matter where you are in life. It all began in the early 20th century, when Napoleon Hill was assigned to interview Andrew Carnegie, one of the richest men of that time. Carnegie looked into Hill's eyes and asked, "Do you want to know the real secret to wealth?" Hill said yes. Carnegie then revealed something shocking. Success isn't about luck, inheritance, or sheer hard work. It's about a formula so powerful that anyone could use it to become wealthy and successful. Carnegie challenged Hill to spend 25 years studying the greatest minds of his era, Ford, Edison, Rockefeller, and uncover the laws of success. What Hill discovered became Think and Grow Rich. It's not just about money. It's about unlocking the full potential of your mind to achieve anything. Hill said, "Weak desire brings weak results." Success begins with a clear, burning desire. You don't need to know how you'll get there. You just need to know what you want. Write it down, read it daily, and obsess over it. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times before creating the light bulb. When asked why he never quit, he replied, "I didn't fail. I found 10,000 ways that wouldn't work." Edison's desire was so strong, failure didn't exist. Hill tells us that faith is a state of mind. Visualize your success. Every single day, picture yourself achieving your goal. Your mind can't tell the difference between what's real and what's imagined. Use this to your advantage. Muhammad Ali repeatedly said, "I am the greatest," before he actually became the greatest boxer in history. Hill says, your subconscious mind is the soil where thoughts grow. Feed it affirmations and positive thoughts daily. Repeat your desires to yourself, morning and night. Now that you know where the treasure lies, let's talk about how to find it. Success isn't a straight path. It's filled with failures, doubts, and fears. But Hill identified tools to keep you on track. General knowledge won't make you rich. Specialized knowledge will. Henry Ford wasn't an engineer, but he hired the best minds to build the car that changed the world. Hill said, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Use creative imagination to brainstorm ideas and practical imagination to execute them. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Build an action plan and surround yourself with a mastermind group, people who support and inspire you." The difference between success and failure is persistence. Most people quit too soon. Hill says, failure cannot cope with persistence. Colonel Sanders was rejected 1,009 times before someone agreed to sell his fried chicken recipe. Today, KFC is global. Hill identified 6 fears that paralyze us: poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. Recognize them, face them, and they lose their power. Your subconscious mind connects you to ideas and insights from beyond. It's your 6th sense, the bridge to genius-level intuition. Here's the truth. Think and Grow Rich is more than just a book. It's a manual for life. Everything you need to succeed already exists inside you. Your thoughts are the seeds of your future. Your mind is the most powerful tool you possess. Use it wisely, feed it with positivity, and act with purpose. You don't need luck, privilege, or a miracle. You just need a burning desire, unshakable faith, and relentless persistence. If you can think it, you can grow it. Now go unlock your treasure. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more life-changing ideas.